habits of the people and the people who need the basic food also. So we should see that if a plate is not full and if a plate is empty, why it is empty? Is it because we are wasting food, or it is because I have eaten all my food? So I'm sure the people who are attending this seminar, who are in the dais or who are in the audience or the respected millers, all will apply their mind on the topic and must aware themselves of the things, of the issues, of the concern which we may face in the future, and be prepared for the things which are going to happen. And the institutions, maybe the PAU, maybe the CSIR or CFTRI, all must be working on these issues and developing new varieties, resilient varieties and everything. So without going all the details and all the varieties, all the things, and I again request and advise everybody to think on the topic and have a way forward for a better future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sunil. And last but not the least, the President of Butterfly Association in India, my good friend Navneet ji. Please, sir. He has braved flight disruptions and late nights to be here, right? So I'm sure it will be worth it.
Good evening to all respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, colleagues from our industry, research institutions and the government. It is an honor to address this inaugural session. This seminar is not just a discussion platform. It is a vision-setting exercise for the next decades of India's wheat economy. India's success in food security is admired worldwide. Punjab has been at the center of this success and occupies a unique and irreplaceable place in India's food security. For agriculture, food processing and the future of India's wheat economy, Punjab remains our strongest pillar and most trusted partner. But the landscape of global food systems is changing, driven by climatic realities, evolving consumer expectations, nutrition, technology, and supply chain competitiveness. The question we must answer today is, how do we prepare India's wheat ecosystem for the future? A vision for the Indian wheat ecosystem depends upon 5 points. First, ensuring market confidence, a stable and predictable policy environment. For India to become a globally competitive wheat processing hub, policy predictability is essential. Today, stock limits on processors, traders and modern supply chain create uncertainty and discourage private investment in storage, logistics and value addition. It is the time to re-examine this framework. We urge the government to discontinue stock limits on industry stakeholders. If the objective is to understand crop distribution, stock declaration may discontinue, even monthly. But the operational freedom to buy, store and process wheat is essential. When the government intervenes too early or too frequently, the private sector becomes cautious. And when the private sector withdraws, the burden of crop procurement shifts entirely to the government, something neither sustainable nor desirable. A confident and stable market benefits farmers the most. Second point, policy on MSP encouraging production while supporting the milling ecosystem. We wholeheartedly welcome the government's motivation to farmers through higher MSP. A fair and remunerative price is essential for the food security and farmer welfare. But we must acknowledge an economic reality. When MSP rises, open market prices rises too. Processors, flour millers, traders and stockists must procure wheat during the harvest season at those prevailing market prices, often for many more months of future supply. This stocking carries a capital cost, storage, quality, maintenance and logistics. Therefore, we propose a clear price band policy. Let the free market function independently without a defined price range. Within a defined price range, the government may intervene only above or below the band to market control measures. This will give confidence to the industry to invest, protect farmers from distress sale, reduce government's procurement burden, stabilize long-term food pricing. A predictable and collaborative price system is the foundation of future-ready food security.